Transform your living room into a retro haven without breaking the bank. Let's dive into budget-friendly tips for a nostalgic makeover. Retro style brings the charm of the 50s to the 70s into your home, featuring vibrant colors, dynamic patterns, and distinctive furniture shapes. Start your hunt at thrift stores and flea markets for budget-friendly vintage finds. Online platforms like eBay and Etsy also offer a range of retro pieces. Choose a color palette that reflects your favorite retro era. Bold colors for the 60s, pastels for the 50s, and geometric patterns to tie it all together. Upcycle old furniture with paint and fabric to give them new life. Simple projects can make a big impact on your retro aesthetic. Handmade decor like macrame wall hangings and refurbished lamps add a unique touch. Use vintage items like old cameras and records for authenticity. Affordable art can complete your look. Frame vintage posters or create your own retro-inspired art for a personal touch. By being resourceful and creative, you can create a stylish retro living room. It's all about mixing the right furniture, colors, and personal touches. Achieve a nostalgic and stylish space without overspending. Subscribe for more home decor tips and start your retro transformation today.